Hello everybody, I hope everybody's having a great day today. What are we doing today other than having fun with makeup again? Lotsolatte. I've been wanting to do this for 2 months now. So, let's get started. Okay, the first thing is I did put on my bronzer. The Bronze Goddess from Estee Lauder, yes, I can't see. And it is a number 3, medium to deep. I love Estee Lauder. I've been using Estee Lauder since I was 20 years old. And their shade range is pretty bad. But I love Estee Lauder. Okay, whoops, forgot something. I don't have a very good latte-ish blush. I would love one of the Bare Minerals bronzers, but what I do have, we'll start with this because I believe this is the first time I'm actually going to do this, put a liquid and then a powder. I don't think I've ever done it, but I do have my dewy blush from CHIC London in coconut, and I always see everybody declutter their CHIC London liquid blushes. I did declutter one, but I've kept this one. The one I decluttered was mainly because it's all the same. I have all the same colors, and that's my bad. I need different colors, which is one of the reasons why I want a bronzer, because I want a beautiful, rich, chocolatey color. And of course they've got the new bronze blushes that are shimmery now too. Yeah, so let's go with coconut first and get this latte going. And I should know what it looks like because I put enough cream in my coffee. But in this video I am also premiering a new to me palette. Not a new palette because it's been out for a little while, but a new to me palette. I've had some stuff that I am using for at least a month, if not longer, and it's just a matter of get your button gear, Bridget, and do it. So the other bronzer I'm using is from Colourpop, and it's Mulan. My favorite princess, my Mulan, my Fa Mulan, Good Luck Charm. And there we go. It's a red bronzer. That's what it looks like to me, a red bronzer. So let's see, because as I have said, I have never set my blush. And also what this one may shock you all. I'm going to try, whoa, okay, I'm going to try to make my dewy face look more matte. Serious pregnant pause. Yeah, this is not what it looks like in the pan. I'm gonna put some powder on top of that. We'll get to that after the eyes. Bronze Goddess. What color is this? Heat Wave. Yes, Melissa. You inspired me. I had to use it. It's getting close to a smidge dark for me, but you know what? I don't care. I don't care. It's really beautiful. I mean, look at that. Okay, I'm not putting this on my forehead because I want to put powder. Yeah, I better take the powder out before I forget about it. So, Bronze Goddess is there. Now, the big reason we are here is for the eyes, the rest of the look. And as I said, it's a new to me palette, and it's a palette that Samantha March actually loves. It's not the box of chocolates. I was looking at this earlier and I'm like, I have no idea what I'm gonna do. That one's a little chunkier, but it's beautiful though. It's a shimmer glitter. A glimmer. There we go. A glimmer. It's not quite glitter and it's not quite shimmer. Okay, that's just more. Whoops, I forgot one. I have no fingers left. Okay, there we go. There's one I didn't do because it's one I'm going to put in my inner corner. I mean, I'm not great at doing swatches, but that's the worst swatch I've ever done. It's a toss-up between this one and this one. Or I should say this one. It's a toss-up between those two. Okay, how about we start with this one. Let's go for the heart. Oh, and I used my Fuller Fudge on my eyelids because there is no such thing as too much, whoops, shimmer. I want some shimmer to come from within. And I have to use them. Okay, now, I'm not gonna wear the reddish one. And I had to decide because if I was gonna wear the reddish one, I would have used this matte. Crazy for cocoa. Yeah, I'm going dark. Okay, I was thinking of putting glitter glue on, but I'm not going to. Now I know why Samantha March loves this palette. It's absolutely gorgeous, and any one of these shades can be used as a one and done. Boom, you're out the door. Okay, now that one that was the really, really bad swatch. And you know what my fairy dust is going to be? Why? Because it's pretty much the same color. I was trying to put just a little bit on and all of a sudden it's a lot more. Okay, better put that away. All right, so the other thing I wanted to put on, I'm not sure if I'm going to put my brown from Essence or my Urban Decay Smog. Come on, there we go. Let's see if Smog will go into my waterline easy. I keep forgetting that. Okay, I just want it in the waterline. Messing up my eyelids with eyeliner because I'm a tad on the shaky side. So, we still have lots to do, but I have this to do first. I'll be back. Okay, what I did do was get my mascara on, and I put this lip liner from Mellow Cosmetics in Rose. Looks orange to me. Okay. Now, first thing before lips, powder. Let's charge up my brush the way you're supposed to. Just charge it up according to Rose, from Rose and Ben. Get it in there, and do not tap the ferrule on anything hard. That's according to Lisa J from BK Beauty, and as she has made some of the best brushes apparently out there, I'll take her word for it. Yeah, see, it's already done. It's hilarious when I watch YouTubers and they tap their brush in the powder and they go all over their face with an empty brush. It's hilarious. And I'm sure you can see that I am avoiding my eyes at all costs. All right, I was supposed to go over. Yeah, my cheeks are very much in your face, but you know what? I don't care. I'm not going anywhere except to my car because I have to clean the trunk. That is a very long story and it's so sad. It is so sad. Alexandra says to make sure to dry your setting spray. And yeah, I look powdery. The only shine that's on my face is my highlight. I don't know how I feel about that. Yeah, I got rid of this. Why does it keep coming back? Okay, lips. These are my choices. The gloss, maybe we'll put it on top. But what I thought I would use for lips is this one from LY. Oh man, that's creamy. This one from LYS. The other two are from Odin's Eye. LYS is... Are you kidding me? Am I supposed to be able to read that? Brown Rose, which is on that side. Ooh. Okay. And the other one is Tulipa Kiss. All I've done is swatch this one. And it's on the other side. And you know what I'm going to use? Tulipa Kiss. And am I going to use the gloss? No. Okay, so those are there. This is dark. The darkest I normally wear is red. next time I'm at the drugstore, I need to get a brown Essence lip liner. This is flashbacks of my mother. She used to wear brown lipstick all the time. I think I mentioned it in a previous video, except this one has more red than what she would wear. She would wear brown. Brown. Just brown. I like this one. Why? Yeah, those two are staying out for fall. Damn, I look good. This is a beautiful palette. I hate to say this, but I need to do a video, something along the lines of getting over my fear of purple. Here we go. This is my latte, my version of latte. Lots of latte with not a lot of cream. Okay, no, we'll do it this way. Latte with 2 extra shots of espresso. There we go. Thank you everybody once again for coming to visit with me. Please leave me a comment, like my video, and subscribe to my channel. A bientôt.